Halo guys, kembali lagi dengan gue Sony Oho ya guys ya. Gue kali ini akan melanjutkan alur cerita dari Red Dead Redemption 2 ya guys ya. Di sini gue telah melalui misi kemarin ya guys, yaitu misinya membantai geng yang brutal ya guys ya, yang telah membantai satu keluarga ya guys ya. Ya seperti itulah ya, bukan satu keluarga sih sebenarnya, suaminya dibunuh gitu guys. Dan kita membantai untuk mengambil kayak kebutuhan makanan dan juga untuk rencana geng tersebut untuk merampok sebuah kereta guys. Nah, gua ini sedang melanjutkan dari yang cerita kemarin ya guys. Kalau kalian belum tonton, kalian wajib tonton ya dulu ya guys ya, biar kalian tahu alur cerita dari Red Dead Redemption 2 ini guys. Oke, lah sekarang lanjut aja guys ya. Di sini gua akan melanjutkan ceritanya guys. Oh, di sini ya. Oke, di sini.
We're gonna starve to death up here, Mr. Morgan.
Dan lebih enaknya lagi guys, kalian
You're
kalau
okay.
nonton dari sini kalian bisa lihat subtitle
We
Indonesia
have
guys. Jadi
a
kalian
few
mengerti
cans of
apa
food and
isi
a rabbit.
dari
For what? 10,
Apa?
12 people?
cerita ini guys. Berhubung
When I was
ini
in the
aku juga
Navy,
minus
I
bahasa
do
Inggris,
not wish
jadi
to
gua
hear about what you got up to in
Lenda
the Navy,
inisiatif
Mr.
buat
Pearson.
namanya mengasih
stranded
subtitle
at sea.
Indonesia di sini guys. Jadi kalian juga bisa
50
baca
days,
dan gua
and
juga
you
bisa
unfortunately survived.
menjelaskan alur ceritanya gitu. Oke.
When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in.
Well, when government agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short. We'll survive. We always have. And if needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest.
I sent Lenny and Bill hunting, and they found nothing.
Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to read, ain't no wonder they found
Enough of this. We'll go find something. Come on, Arthur.
Oke.
Wait a second.
Dan di sini nampaknya kita disuruh berburu ya guys ya.
Here.
Berburu.
You're gonna need something to eat out
Entah
there.
kita harus berburu apa, entah itu kita harus ruling. Biasanya kalau kayak gini biasanya rusa gitu ya, atau enggak ya
Let's go.
You can't go.
ikan.
Look at you.
Ikan
can't
ikan
stay here
termasuk
listening to
berburu.
you two.
Ikan tuh memancing ya aja.
This game knows
Ya
us, I'll
berburu
find
mungkin
it.
berburu.
And you can kill it.
Ya itulah
need to
paling
rest,
dominan
Charles.
biasanya kalau baju salju
think this
ini
is
ya
rest?
rusa gitu.
Come along.
Let's go. Ini nggak akan ku skip biar kalian tahu gitu cerita dan isi dari
Yeah.
Red
You
Dead
take this.
Redemption 2 ini guys,
I
oke?
can't use it, and you'll have to.
Oh, you're joking.
Use a gun, and we'll scare off every animal for miles around.
Ya betul.
Never too old to learn, I imagine.
Oke, kalau kita menggunakan
Alright.
pistol,
Let's head out.
takutnya semua hewan akan lari terbirit-birit bermil jauhnya gitu ya. Jadi kita harus pakai panah yang senyap gitu ya.
How are you holding up, Charles?
I'm okay, apart from this hand. Stupid mistake.
Still bad?
It'll be fine in a
Kalau
day or
kalian
two.
menanyakan ngapa nggak
I just
pakai
can't
pedang
pull a
bang?
bow right
Zaman
now.
dulu mana ada pedang guys.
I sure hope I can. Never really got the hang of it.
You'll be fine.
So, you reckon we're gonna find something to kill that ain't no Driscoll?
There's meat up here for sure. Pearson doesn't know what he's talking about. Now the weather's eased off a bit, they'll be needing to feed. We'll head up this way, find some higher ground.
Been a wild few days, all right. That ride north from Blackwater, getting stuck in the storm, going out for John, that thing with the O'Driscolls.
You've had a lot put on you. I wish I could have done more.
I didn't mean it like that, just a lot to think back on.
I still don't really know what happened on that boat.
Me neither. Well, Javier told me a bit, but it sure weren't good.
Di sini juga kayak bisa dikasih animasi gitu. Tapi ini aku bisa gerakin gitu guys. Tuh. Ini aku bisa gerakin gitu. Ke kiri ke kanan. Cuman bisa dibuat kayak animasi gitu. Nih, ini kan aku gerakin kiri kanan nih guys. Tuh. Bisa dibuat kayak animasi movie-nya gitu guys. Jadi kayak wah keren gitu. Dan Red Dead Redemption 2 ini juga termasuk game lama guys ya, game jadul, namun gue baru bisa memainkan karena minim budget ya guys ya. Untuk beli gamenya aja gitu.
There's some patches of grass here. This is good.
Terus kalau aku mau
Come on.
mungkin bisa
Let's
aja
try
sih
this
pakai
way.
aplikasi
Keep your
cracknya,
eyes
cuman
peeled for
kan
movement.
pasti crack itu ada kekurangannya guys. Makanya
The
aku
wind's died
lebih
down
baik
too.
milih beli
That's
juga.
good.
No wind at all is bad, but if it's
Dan
too
ini
strong,
menurut
they
gua
will
guys ya,
move.
dengan harganya segitu, dengan
Stay
grafik yang
quiet.
seperti ini cukup recommended ya guys ya.
Hey, stop here a second.
Eh,
I see something.
ada sesuatu guys, ada sesuatu guys,
Oh, watch it.
ada sesuatu. Kita harus diam, kita harus diam. Ada apa?
There's deer been here
Ada harus diam.
recently.
How can you tell?
How can you not?
Gimana tidak?
Let's walk it from here. Keep down. Move quietly and slowly.
Oke, ini udah ambil panah. Kita untuk jongkok kita pakai
You see the tracks?
I think so.
CTRL
Maybe not.
Focus.
untuk mengaktifkan Angel Eyes ini. Oh, sebentar guys. Kalau nggak salah tuh ada minuman yang bisa meningkatkan kekuatan mata guys. Nah ya, ini dia. Tuh, oke di sini. Oh ini, kita harus ngikutin penunjuk arah ini kayak angin-angin gitu guys. Kalau kalian lihat di mana? Oke ini. Itu ya menuju ke depan situ. Tekan dan oke. Oke ini di sini. Oh itu guys, itu rusaknya guys. Kalian lihat nggak? Tuh. Shh, kita harus fokus guys, kita harus fokus. Kita harus senyap, diam. Gak boleh banyak bergerak guys ya. Oke, itu dia. Apa sih, kita harus belakangin dia?
Down there. You see him? Are you ready with that bow? Aim for their head or neck. We want to.
Nice.
Now let's try for another.
Enak guys, dia tuh kalau kita pencet Angel Eyes tadi tuh kita nggak usah perlu mendidik lagi guys. Dia kalau kita udah taruhkan ke badannya, otomatis dia kalau udah ada gambar silangnya gitu, dia akan langsung kena badannya langsung guys, langsung mati ya guys ya, langsung mati ini. Gitu. Oke, gue paham. Ops. Di mana lagi? Sini. Itu guys, ada dua. Kita agak dekat dikit ya, agak ke depan dikit. Biar Angel Eyes, mata elangnya tuh aktif gitu ya. Angel Eyes namanya, Angel Eyes gitu. Nice.
Well done. I think that's all we can carry.
Untung jago.
You pick up one, I'll get the other.
You sure your hand's okay?
It'll be fine once I get it on my shoulder.
Untung jago.
Okay.
Apa nih?
Grab the other one.
Fluid untuk mengambil kuda ya guys ya. Tekan H. Untung jago. Mana ini kuda gue nggak muncul guys, nggak bisa dipanggil kah? Oh ini. kita akan berfokus di cerita guys ya. Kita mungkin nggak bakal di video ini, aku nggak bakal namatin apa side questnya, cuman ya gua fokus di ceritanya aja. Oke, kalau side quest mungkin gua kelarin, cuman nggak mau buatin, nggak mungkin buat video guys. Jadi gua selesaikan cerita ini aja. Oke.
Whoa! Nice work, Arthur. Should be enough meat here to keep us all fed for a few days.
You found him.
I knew you'd be okay with that bow.
It's easier when they ain't shooting back.
We've seen enough of that.
Considering how things were looking a couple of days back, well, maybe our luck is finally on the turn.
Seems to me we should be putting our effort into getting off this mountain now.
Soon. People are still weak, and well, you've seen how snowed in those wagons are. They ain't going nowhere until we get some more thaw.
You're probably right. And even if we do get off here, what then? We still have a big price on our heads.
This is a big country. We'll find somewhere to lie low. Dutch and Jose will have a plan. Yeah.
Kalau ntar guys ya, gue akan sebentar. Aku akan setting suaranya. Kata kemarin tuh audionya bang kekecilan bang, tapi di sini udah full guys. Oh, dialognya gue kerasin dikit lah ya.
You notice how Pearson's had a bottle in his hand ever since we fled Blackwater? We give the camp cook 5 minutes to grab the essentials and go, and he doesn't even bring a crumb of food.
Good that we caught more than one. We've only been up here a few days and have already picked up 2 more mouths to feed.
One more. We ain't feeding the O'Driscoll a damn thing. Except maybe that can of salted offal Pearson was kind enough to give us.
The girl, she has a wild look in her eye.
Of course. She lost her husband, her home, everything she had.
So what do we do with her?
Well, once we get out of here and we're back on our feet, we'll see. She might have family somewhere.
Who knows? Maybe she'll deal with the O'Driscoll for us.
Well, I know who my money's on in that fight. He's weak, but that makes him much more useful. Maybe we can get to them before they get to us.
What is it with the O'Driscolls?
You ain't dealt with them? I suppose. Hell, we ain't run into them much the last 6 months.
Apa itu guys?
I guess because they've been over this way.
Ada peluang guys.
I've heard a lot of talk about them. Watch out. Bear up ahead. Let's see if we can find another way around.
Well, he's got a lot of meat on him.
We've got enough here. No need to push our luck.
Oke, jangan terlalu staka ya guys.
Stay well back.
Kalau udah dapet rusa ya udah gitu. Jangan mau ada yang besar langsung. Itu besar tapi puas guys. Gila, mau berburu beruang. Si Arthur ini gimana ini guys? Rusa 2 kurang nggak? Rusa 2 anjay. Ayo, percepat. Let's go.
We ain't ever talked that much, you and me. How long you been with us now? 5, 6 months?
Something like that?
Bet you didn't expect this.
What?
Any of this. Blackwater mess. Being up here.
Sooner or later, a job's gonna go wrong. Nature of life.
I just thought you might have moved on by now.
You want me to move on?
No, not at all. I know you could run it alone, no problem.
I did that for a long time. I'm done with it. Always wondering if someone's gonna kill you in your sleep.
I still wonder that most nights.
I reckon you're okay. This suits me. Sure, I could fall in with another gang, but Dutch. You know, Dutch is different.
Oh, yes. Dutch is certainly different.
He treats me fair. Most you do. And for a fellow with a black father and an Indian mother, that ain't normally the case.
Well, We need you now. Or never.
Good. How long have you been with these boys? Why ain't you run off?
Me? Oh, 20 years, something like that. Since I was a boy.
20 years?
Yeah. He taught me to read. John, too. Taught me a few other things, him and Hosea.
I'm sure.
Dutch saved me. Saved most of us. That's why we need to stick by him through this. He always sees us right.
Oh, jadi si Arthur ini ya guys
How's that
ya,
new horse?
masuk dalam kehidupan bersama Dutch dan John itu selama 20 tahun lebih guys, dari waktu kecil.
She's a strong
Dan
one.
makanya itu Arthur
It's been
tidak
as hard on the
mau
horses as on the
namanya
rest of us.
apa ya,
I don't know
bukan
what Dutch
kabur
would do
ya,
if something happened to the
tepatnya
Count.
Same with
hidup
Bill,
mandiri.
Brown
Dia
Jack.
ingin cuman sama
He's a
Dutch
drunk,
dan
miserable
ingin
bastard,
berkumpul
but
dengan
he loves that
gengnya seperti ini guys.
I hope
Ya
they
gitu.
all make it.
I tried to ride the
Jadi
Count
Dutch tuh
once.
ngerawat si Arthur dengan si John
Took
ini
me faster
gitu,
than a
gitu,
bull.
guys.
Won't take nobody but him.
Dan koreksi lah ya kalau gua salah gitu guys ya.
I'm gonna hitch tie him over here.
Tapi yang gue denger kayak gitu sih.
Brought some food back, boys. Come on, let's get these over to Pearson. Oh, and thank you for showing me how to use the bow properly.
I only showed you a little. Takes a lifetime of practice to master.
Whoa! Well, well, well! What a surprise. Find a camp rat loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend? I feel like we haven't spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid.
He loves me, really. It's his sad way of showing affection.
No, it isn't. Now shoot, get lost.
Well, see you gents later.
See, you got on just fine.
Charles is a wonder.
Have a drink, boys. You earned it.
Jesus, what is that?
Navy rum, sir. It's the only thing. The only thing. Keeps you sane, it does.
Yes, seems to have done a treat on you. You go rest that hand, Charles.
I'll be fine in a few days.
You mind helping me with the skinning, Mr. Morgan? It's easier if we do it together.
Do I get to skin you?
You're always one with the jokes, aren't you? Come on.
This really isn't a job for a man with a burnt hand. I'll
Apakah
see you
kamu
both later.
apakah aku boleh
You
ngulitin
skinned that
dirimu
one,
ya
you
gitu guys.
dumped on the floor there.
Disuruh ngulitin terusnya malah leluconnya si Arthur guys. Cukup humor ya.
Not too bad, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. They always said you were a butcher. You know, you could trade these or sell these in pretty much any town. If you're looking to make a legitimate bit of money, of course.
Right now, I'm just looking to get off this mountain alive.
Well, if you catch anything else, you bring it to me.
Sure.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Heck, Arthur Morgan's first decent bit of hunting after all these years.
Yeah. Well, we're on the run now. Everyone's got to do their bit to survive. Just make a good stew. Folk need it. It's been a tough few days.
Sebentar guys ya. Ini gua bakal save dahulu. Beberapa hari kemudian.
It's been a bad few weeks. But Dutch being Dutch, he is busy making plans, and Dutch being Dutch, those plans involve robbery and dreams.
Melibatkan perampokan dan
Well, I thought you was reading him his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You still here then?
ini si John ya guys ya,
Oh,
yang kita
yeah.
selamatin di
You'll
part
pay
1
me.
kemarin. Kalau
For
kalian
the
tahu,
moment, just rest. Arthur,
kalau kalian ingat ya guys ya,
think
itu
it's
dia
time
si
for
John, itu si John
Want me
ya
to
guys
go?
ya.
Of course I do, but look at you. I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
don't lie still, son.
Hello, Abigail. Jackie.
The boy wanted to see you, John.
He's seen me now. Or what's left of me. What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking. We could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on. What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea. We're living. Look at me. We're living. Even you. But we need money. Everything we have's in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a big railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob. Everyone ready? All right, let's head out.
Oke. Ini gue akan perjelas apa yang dibicarakan tadi guys ya, walaupun sudah ada setelahnya mungkin kalian harus perjelas juga. Jadi gini, si orang tadi dia bilang jangan, kenapa kita harus mencuri kereta guys, apa mencuri atau merampok kereta guys. Dia takut, kenapa dia merasa ragu, karena dia takut kehilangan teman-temannya ini guys. Jadi dia tuh nggak ingin ada yang mati dalam perampokan ini. Namun kata pemimpin kita si Dutch ini, iya pak, kalau nggak kayak gini gimana? Atau kita akan kembali ke barat, ke Blackwater lagi, karena barang-barang kita sama uang kita ada di sana. Dan dia nggak mau. Dan satu caranya ya merampok kereta ini guys. Jadi gitu.
Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan. Great. Have you got a problem with that?
Not if you keep your head for once.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough! After Bill blows the tracks, we're gonna need to move fast. Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Yep. Crystal.
Yes, boss.
Good. Now come on. Let's ride.
Si Micah ini agak brengsek ya guys ya. Dia tuh kayak nggak suka sama si Arthur ini guys.
Out of the snow, finally.
Feels good, doesn't it? But we need to get this done fast. Now it's thawing, before anyone gets up here after us. Oh, look at you boys. See? This is what I call a crew. Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan,
Javier guys.
Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan, Javier Escuela. And what about young Lenny here? Always the first man on his horse.
Just happy we're back at him, Dutch.
You sure you're ready for this, kid?
Of course I'm ready.
Just stay calm. Keep your eyes sharp. That goes for all of you. No mistakes. Not again.
So we do this, then we go back to Blackwater to collect.
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
That's a lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back when I say we go back. And that's the end of it. There's the water tower. Hold up here on the ridge. Is Bill there?
Yeah,
You want to head down, see how he's getting on?
okay.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Tadi suruh periksa ya gitu.
How you getting on?
Yeah. I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead and set up the
Silakan,
detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
Oke, kita di sini disuruh menghubungkan kabel ini ke
Okay,
generator ini
this is
guys,
good.
untuk pemicu ledakannya nanti gitu.
That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
Kita disuruh kembali lagi guys. Oke. Oke. Gagah gitu guys ya, kalau apa, kalau udah nggak mesin selalu kayak
Just
kelihatan
be
keren
ready
gitu.
to move quick, and remember the plan. All of you, no mistakes.
What's going on? He said
It's all fine.
We'll soon find out.
Everything okay?
I think so.
Okay, cover your faces.
Tutupi wajah
Train
kereta,
should be
nanti bahas sebentar lagi. Oke, kita harus tutupi wajah dengan masker guys. Mana masker?
here
Oke.
any minute now.
Gila. Serasi cowboy bangetnya tuh. Greget gitu guys.
Gentlemen, it's time. Good luck. All of you. You all know what to do.
Here we go.
Lah,
Shit! No! What? God!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Where did you find that more? You said it was fine.
Come on!
You're pathetic. You know that?
ini mungkin salah si Arthur, mungkin salah itunya guys. Sekarang salah apa namanya, pemicunya tadi mungkin ya.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh shit!
Dan kita yang selamat kan?
Pull me up! I'm slipping!
Lenny,
I got you.
tarik Lenny,
Now
tarik Lenny.
stop yelling! Arthur, help me! Yeah, you're okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him.
Seorang cowboy.
God dang it, we being robbed. How many
This happened! I'm gonna be the one that put you in the ground!
Come on, we need to stop it. Frank. You alright?
Gila. Gila nggak tau, kayaknya nggak ya.
What the hell was Bill doing? He had long enough to set that charge.
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't mention that.
Seorang cowboy nggak
How you doing,
pakai
man?
shotgun ya sih. Seorang
okay.
cowboy itu pakai pistol. Itu baru cowboy sejati ya.
We have to stop this train.
That's what we're doing, kid.
Fuck.
I ain't got a clear shot.
Berhenti. Kelas gini boy.
Look out! Come.
Aduh, sebentar guys ya. Bentar kayak restart dulu, tadi ada kendala ya guys ya.
There better be some money at the end of this. All these bastards must be guarding something.
BTW topi gua tadi mana guys ya?
Hard the back, right? Yep, keep pushing on.
GG nggak?
Good. Damn, he's got an arm. Who is this guy? Doing good, kid. Shoot him. Where the hell are the others?
Ini racak banget cuy. Apa ini? Ya, karena peluru kita habis guys. Lebih enak gini guys, kalau di keker memang yang lebih tepat sih, cuman kalau di keker nggak sama aja.
There's still more coming off the train. Come on, bring this up, boys. Good shooting, kid. I can see now why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys up here for this. Arthur, get over here.
You two all right?
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you. Any more of you.
Tidak ingin membunuh.
I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Corps.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay, you asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1.
61.
Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little.
We got no way in here.
That's enough. Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open.
Anjir. Pakai dia.
Now, don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there.
Seems good enough. Now light the fuse.
Oh, kita disuruh nyalakan. Oh, disuruh nyalakan.
Here we
dulu.
go.
Unless you got a death wish, I'd step back, fellers.
Cuman Arthur yang kelihatan cool ya.
All right, come on. Just walk on out here. We don't want to kill you. We just want to rob your boss. Get on up there. Search that train.
Tembakan peringatan yes. Kita emang nggak bisa pakai topi gitu guys.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Now I've seen everything. Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as cake.
Kita periksa-periksa dulu guys.
You're just gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will ya? I'm parched.
Shut up. Me and Arthur did all the work.
Yeah, kid did good. Didn't see you rushing to jump on that train.
He's keen.
Yang terhormat, karena kami belum menerima bayaran sebesar 2.000.
Okay,
Kita halal
let's see if we can get this open.
Door when I say so.
Tidak penting.
Get in there.
Surat perusahaan nih guys ya. Apa ini?
There. See? That's how it's done.
Apa ini?
Shit. Just a pile of papers.
Bonds?
I don't think
Dia
so.
terima kasih atas
Here,
keterangan.
make yourself useful. At least we all know you can read. Give me those.
Nice, nggak penting
Railroad
guys.
contracts.
Nggak terlalu penting, nggak terlalu
invoices,
penting, nggak
blah, blah,
terlalu
blah.
penting.
Got anything?
Not really.
Apa ini?
Sugar imports from the Spanish West Indies. A lot of sugar. Some fancy new boaties ordered from Europe.
Ada barang
I'm not
barang
robbing
penting.
another
Guys.
boat as long as I live.
Apa itu?
Now, this looks like something.
Have you checked all the drawers and cabinets?
Think I got him.
Nice.
Thank God. Come on.
What did you find?
These bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this?
The train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride!
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. All of you. Any bright ideas, I kill all three of you. So behave. Come on! Move!
We won't tell a soul, I swear.
Get a move on!
Kita orang baik ya guys, jadi kita ngelepasin aja. So kalau kita bunuh terlalu kejam ya guys, ya kita udah mencuri, habis kita bunuh juga orangnya guys. Jadi ya udah, di sini kita selamatin dia guys. Yang terlalu apa ya? Terlalu brutal lah guys ya. Kita nih masih ada punya sisi kemanusia dikit guys. Biarkan dia selamat. Oke. Apakah sudah selesai? Apakah sudah selesai? Kita akan selesaikan ini sampai ke chapter 2 ya guys ya.
So, we getting out of this hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch.
Oke, ini kita akan berpindah. Musiknya guys. Enak banget ya lagu-lagu zaman dulu ya. Serasa banget cowboynya gitu. Kita kelarin sampai ke chapter 2. Ya, sampai misi chapter 2 deh. Oke, setengah misi dari chapter 2 deh. Jadi gimana ya? sih.
Lenny!
Gak di
Micah, get
game
over
tahun
here!
lama seperti ini.
Yes, boss.
You two ride up ahead,
Sudah
make sure
termasuk
there's no
GG parah.
surprises. We've had enough of those.
Me with the boy?
Just go.
Come on, kid. You can buy me a whiskey.
Nggak kerendir guys tadi guys. Apa kita sih? Ah, kita disuruh mengendalikan ya.
Get us out the stream. Gotta keep us moving, but calm. Ah, shit! Okay, let's take a look.
Aduh.
all right back there?
Does everything look all right?
Well, what's going on?
Ah, I broke the goddamn wheel.
All right, let's get it fixed.
You need help?
I reckon we can handle it. All right, Charles, you and me hold the thing up while you try and put the wheel back on, Arthur.
You still strong enough to hold up a wagon?
Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Don't say
Roda aja
less.
bisa patah guys.
Pick the wheel
Bisa
up.
diperbaiki guys di sini gila. Ini kayak relatif parah gak sih?
Nearly there. There.
See? You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
What do you think?
If they wanted trouble, we wouldn't have seen them.
Poor bastards.
Anjing.
We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well, get in. I'll tell you.
Itu tuh kayak mereka tuh kayak nggak asing ya guys ya.
Not too far now. Stay on this trail. We'll follow the river, then cut left inland. So, yes,
Oh,
the Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal. This is
Itu
the
orang
heartland
dia,
we're going
guys.
to. Good farming
orang
and
suku
grazing country.
asli.
They
Ya
lost it
itu
all.
kalau kalian tahu ya
Stolen
orang India.
clean
Kalian
away
cari
from them it
ini,
was, every
cari
blade of
ini.
grass.
Gitu.
Killed
Apa itu?
or
Siapa itu?
herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
And how's that different from anywhere else?
Well, maybe it's not. I just heard some of the army out here was particularly unpleasant about it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly? We don't, in spite of Dutch's talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
Hey, don't blame it on me. Never forget, this here's a
Itu orang
con
suku
man, Charles,
asli.
born and bred.
Asli tanah ini.
Just 'cause it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about. Yeah. So, what happened to your tribe?
I don't even know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man.
Aku berkulit hitam.
He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did, but when we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. My whole life I've been on the run. A couple years later, some soldiers captured my mother. Took her somewhere. We never saw her again. We drifted around. He was a very sad man, and the drink had a mean hold on him. Around 13, I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
Oke, gue mau lihat grafik-grafiknya dulu.
Story. Yep. We still heading the right way?
That depends. Are we still heading west in search of fortune and repose in virgin forests as we planned? No. Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws, working girls, our kind of place.
Driscoll's?
Probably them too.
Pinkertons?
Let's hope not.
And this place we're going. Wait, what's it called again?
Horseshoe Overlook.
It's a good place to lie low?
It'll do for now. And how low do you think Dutch is really going to lie? It's just, you know, maybe it's me who's changed, not him, but we kept telling him that ferry job didn't feel right. You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go wrong sometimes. People die. That's the way it is. Always has been. Me, you, Dutch. We've all been in this line of work a long time. And we're still here, so... well, I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it wrong.
Ada apa lagi di sini?
What are you working on there, anyway?
Just some
Sedikit
yarrow
yarrow dan ginseng baik
Good
untuk
for the health.
kesehatan.
Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah, you can have all this. I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Okay, thank you.
Ginseng.
Ya.
Baik untuk kesehatan kita, guys. Wah, kita lebih kencang nih. Gue bisa ngebut nih. Kalau gue yang gerakin ya. Kalau dia yang gerakin mungkin lama. Karena gue yang gerakin, berhubung gue yang gerakin jadi cepat.
There you are, brother. Head in there. Follow the track for a bit.
Thanks.
Hey, slow up. I'll jump on.
Belum sampai.
Ya.
Geplakin kode pantat ya.
Here we are, gentlemen. Home sweet home.
You weren't wrong, Hosea. This place
Tuan-tuan.
perfect.
I hope so.
Gentlemen, we have survived.
For now.
Now, it is time to prosper.
Arthur and I were
Bajunya
about to
Daxnya keren
prosper.
banget gitu guys ya.
We were onto something big.
Elegan dan keren loh.
Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years, Hosea. Every last one of us. But I kept us together. Kept us alive. Kept the nooses off our neck.
I guess I'm just worried. I ain't got that long, Dutch. I want folks safe before I go.
Me too.
And now we are stuck east of the Grizzlies and out of money, and a long way from a dream of virgin land in the west.
I know, my brother. But we are safe. We make a bit of money here. Then we move again. Head out around them. Be west of Uncle Sam. In a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
Would you just look around you? This world has its consolations.
Gentlemen, I'm going to head into the local town and, see if I can strike up a little business.
Of course, Herr Strauss. I prefer robbing banks to usury. Seems more dignified somehow. Now, everyone, put your tools down for a moment. Come on, gather around. Quickly now. I know that things have been tough, but we are safe now. And we are far too
menjauhkan dari yang
so it is time for everyone
ini haram.
to get to work.
Cuman
Get to work, but stay out of trouble.
dia menghalalkan
Remember,
yang
we
ini
are
padahal
itinerant
sama-sama haram.
Paid off when they shut
Merampok
down
bang
our
haram anjir.
factory to the north. Now
Lebih
get out
katanya
there,
lebih
see what you
bermartabat
can
anjir.
find. Uncle, Reverend Swanson, no
Merampok
more
pun bermartabat
passengers.
anjay. Kurang
It
seru
is
banget Dachshund ya
time
guys.
for everyone to earn their keep.
There is a town a little way down the track named Valentine. Livestock town, all mud and morons, if I remember right. That seems a decent place to start.
And, we need food. Real food. That means every day. One of you.
And remember,
Not-
whatever it is that you find, the camp gets its
Kamu
slice.
mendapatkan bagiannya.
Now be sensible out there.
The girls have your tent ready, Mr. Morgan. Come with me. You two will be ready shortly. We put you over here.
I'm sure everything will be fine, Miss Grimshaw.
It should be. Most of your stuff from Blackwater got saved.
Everything apart from my money.
Oh, don't remind me.
Well, we can always make more money.
We're gonna have to. Miss Jackson, I've seen shit with more common sense than you. Do it properly.
Bisa gitu guys ya. Kalian bisa nggak kayak gitu? Dari sepatu guys. Oke, kita udah di chapter 2 ya guys ya. Kita udah di chapter 2. Oke. Chapter 2. Mungkin tapi karena kita akan lanjut lagi ya sih. Gua akan lanjut sekitar setengah jam lagi atau 1 jam lagi. Kita lanjutin cerita ini. Kita lihat alur cerita dari Redemption 2 ini.
Rode east into some pretty enough country called
Di
the
chapter 2 nya,
Heartlands.
guys.
Ain't been this far east in many a year. Dutch seems a little better. His eyes are sparkling once more, and I can see he's thinking a little clearer. I think we all feel a little happier, despite of Blackwater and that whole mess.
Arthur?
Jose?
Quite a day.
Let's hope so.
There's a bunch of the boys already in Valentine. Bill, Charles, and Javier. And Swanson found something down at the train station by the lake, apparently. And Strauss came back with that creepy little smile on his face. I'm sure there's a whole list of unfortunates he's forced money upon.
Thank you. And you?
I'm gonna read a book.
Oke, apa yang kita akan lakukan, geng? Ya, ini udah di chapter 2. Dan jujur aja gua apa ya? Kalau kalian mungkin satu misi lah guys ya. Satu misi guys ya. Gua akan simpan dahulu ini guys ya. Satu misi di chapter 2 ini. Oke. Misi aja ya, oke? Satu misi. Gua jujur lagi malah capek banget.
Oh, Arthur, my boy. My dear boy.
What's going on?
Nothing. Nothing at all. For the first time in weeks. Nothing. We're free. We're free to plan our own futures once more.
I hope so, Dutch.
You kept the faith, Arthur. You always kept it.
And I ain't losing it now.
Oke. Kita akan ke apa ya? Oke, misinya ada apa aja di sini kita. Oke, ini paling dekat, ada yang paling dekat, kita kelarin yang paling dekat dahulu. Apa ini?
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Careful not to work yourself to death there, Uncle.
I was thinking.
Yeah, does it pay well?
Oh, eventually.
So, while the rest of us are busy stealing, killing, lying, fighting to try to survive, you get to think all day.
Well, it's a strange world we live in, Arthur Morgan.
Do you want to head into town? See if we can find anything out?
Sure. I got some errands to run.
Great. Go check the horses are ready.
You gonna take the old man into town? Take us too?
Well, what you got planned?
Nothing. We'll find something for y'all to do. We always do.
We're bored out of our minds. Been cooped up here for 2 weeks now. Karen's about ready to murder Grimshaw.
Well, can Miss Grimshaw spare you?
Can Miss Grimshaw spare you? What's happened to you, Arthur? 3 young, healthy women want you to take them a robbing. You're worried about house chores. Let's go.
Fair enough. You got me. Come on in.
I can't believe we're going to see Civilization. Feels like weeks since we did.
Yeah, Valentine. Very embodiment of civilization. You ladies are gonna love it.
Okay then. Let's go.
All right. Out through the trees here, then take a left.
Oke, kita akan ke desa Valentine. Ini saya nampain di sini.
Ladies, that's a song.
Can't be screwed 'cause you're too damn ill.
Go right
so
here.
I don't
It's
go
quicker.
down there no more. There's a blue horse laying outside her door. I had a girl in Valentine, likes to drink that fancy wine. Blue in her hat was 2 feet tall, cracking her pants, pay for it all. I had a girl in Berryville, can't get her 'cause she won't stay still. She kicks and squeals and farts.
Look at that Koji. He's all over the place.
Pakai depan.
Damn horses.
Is one of you going to get that fella's horse?
Well, I got lumbago. It's very serious.
Mungkin kita akan bantu guys ya.
All right, I'll see what's going on. Lumbago, really? You all right there, friend?
Oh, hey, you couldn't help me get my other horse back from over there, could you?
Kita bantu lagi ya.
Sure,
Kita bantu.
no
Kita
problem.
orang baik, kita orang baik.
Thanks. It's the white one over there.
Go on, Arthur.
Whoa, whoa, easy. Easy. You're okay.
Oke. Lalu kita pencet G.
Easy, you're all right.
Gede banget anjir kudanya. Oke, kita kasih ke. Ini sebenarnya termasuk ke side quest ya guys ya. Jadi ya udahlah, buat sekalian gitu ya. Kita menjadi pria yang baik di depan para ladies ya guys ya, para nona guys ya, berbuat baik untuk memberikan sisi baik dari kita itu.
Here you go.
You're a gentleman, sir. A gentleman.
No, not really. I was just trying to impress the women.
Go.
To Valentine!
You're turning into a regular old fairy godmother there, Arthur.
What's that supposed to mean?
It means you got a heart. A small one, perhaps, hidden deep inside, but a real one. And you haven't, you repulsive old lizard.
Lizards have hearts.
Well, Arthur, I'm proud of you.
To be honest, if you lot hadn't been here, I probably would have robbed him.
Well, you did.
Woo! Smell those sheep. Or is that Uncle?
Oh, very fun.
This looks like a decent little town.
Bisa baca subtitle ini humor juga ya.
Look at all that snow on the mountains. Sure don't want to be back up there.
You think we should have asked Molly to come with us?
Oh no, Miss O'Shea is far too high and mighty now for the likes of us, or to do any real work. She's a society lady now.
Go left here, down the main street. Sheriff's always on the right. Sure, you can pick up some bounties there, Arthur.
Heaven forbid you put your head on the line.
Yeah, that's a young man's game.
Ooh, yes. We can get up to some mischief here, all right.
Just remember, keep a low profile.
Will you remember that, though, Arthur?
Probably not.
Let's park up down the end there, near the stables.
Why don't you just back off? Just get the hell back where you came
All
from.
right. Here we are, just like I said. Cultural center of civilization. Man at his finest.
Uncle, what are we doing?
Well, we're gonna do what any
Melakukan
self-respecting
apa yang
maniac
dilakukan.
does. Put the women to work.
With pleasure. We'll start at the saloon.
Okay, just stay out of trouble and don't get yourselves noticed.
Right, I need to get something from the stores.
Okay, well, we'll see you at the general store when you're done.
Come on, ladies. Imagine we're in Paris.
I imagine Paris and Valentine.
So that's how you see yourself, is it? A maniac?
Well, in my youth, I used to be known as the one-shot kid.
Okay. I'm not gonna ask why.
You are a sad man, Arthur Morgan.
Pria
But I know
menyedihkan.
you love me.
Desperately. You're my favorite parasite.
Kau parasit.
No.
Kau disebut parasit, guys,
Parasite.
man.
You're my
Disebut
second favorite
parasit.
parasite.
Very funny.
I lied. Ringworm. Then rats with the plague. Then you.
Shut up. This is the place now. Come on.
Morning. So, what do you need?
Hell, a drop of whiskey for a start. You know, something to pass the time while we're waiting on the women.
Always thinking ahead, ain't you?
You're looking a bit tired there,
Kita rokok, beli
Why
rokok.
don't you pick up some coffee while we're here?
Apa ini?
Let me know if you have any questions, fellas. Whiskey's on the top shelf, nearest the door.
Okay.
Beli kopi, kita beli kopi. Karena kita suka kopi.
Here's to your good health, my sir. It's a funny world, you know. This time in my career, I pictured myself being married to an heiress.
Ini waris.
Gentlemen, I think I got something good.
What? What?
I snuck into this fancy house, acted like a servant girl. Usually works. Someone was saying her sister was taking a trip from New York or someplace. Train full of rich tourists heading to Saint Denis and then cruising off to Brazil.
Okay.
A train laden with baggage and passing through a bit of deserted country at night as to get to the docks in time for the tides in some place called Scarlet Meadows.
Yeah, I know it. Yeah, it's right out near New Hanover. Right, it's real quiet out there.
Sounds good. Where's Tilly and Karen?
I think at the hotel. They were picking up some drunken fellas that they was gonna rob.
Why?
It seemed easy. They have been gone for quite a while.
I guess I'll go see if there's any trouble.
Okay.
There's Tilly over there. That does not look ideal.
Excuse me.
Permisi.
You thought I wouldn't find you, Tilly?
You can go kiss a damn snake for all I care. Get off me! Get off of me!
I've been looking.
Get your hands off her, friend.
Who are you?
A friend of mine.
Get off her.
Or what exactly?
Atau apa?
You wanna find out?
Mau cari tahu? Anjay. Is dingin banget, coy.
You're making a big mistake, Tilly Jackson.
Just get lost.
I ain't doing this with you.
Go wait with Uncle and Mary Beth. They're across the street.
Okay. Thanks, Arthur.
Uncle! Look after her. I'm gonna go see about Karen in the hotel.
Can I help you, sir?
Ada di hotel.
I do all I can manage.
No trouble now, please.
Oh, get the hell out of here, will you?
All right.
What the hell? Damn, bro, damn.
I'm getting what I paid for.
Hey!
Hey, you!
A friend of hers.
Get out of here, buddy. I paid.
Ain't paid to hit her, you goddamn animal. Come here!
Buset.
What the hell are you doing here?
Trying to play him. Not very well.
You okay?
Fine.
You sure?
Yeah. Nothing to worry about. Just men.
Hanya
But
laki-laki, tapi
stupid bastard was boasting about the bank.
Bank?
Sure, I know small town banks are usually a waste of time, but this is a livestock town. There's lots of cash sometimes.
Okay. Keep investigating.
I will.
Ya, kerennya mau ya itu pokoknya lah. Ya kalian koreksi sendiri lah guys ya.
I hope everything's okay up there.
After you. Thank you, Arthur. I don't much like being saved, but when I have to be.
I understand.
You okay? Sure. He only punched me. Arthur punched him a lot harder.
All right now.
Hey, who's that guy over there looking at us?
Weren't you in Blackwater a few weeks back?
Me? No, sir. Ain't from there.
Oh, you were. Well, I definitely saw you with a bunch of fellers.
Me? No. Impossible. Listen, buddy, come here for a minute.
I saw you.
Come here.
Come on, get.
I don't like this. Me neither. Go get the girls home. I'm gonna go have a word with our friend.
Be careful, Arthur.
Just a word. Yeah!
Give more!
Just
Oke.
on it.
You stay away from me!
Get back here right now!
Dia tahu informasi kita gitu.
Stay back, goddammit!
Gila. Ya gimana gitu. Susah guys kalau gitu. Oke, mungkin ini juga misi sudah selesai guys ya. Kita sudah menyelesaikan di chapter 2. Mungkin gua bakal lanjutin besok lagi, dan ini masih ke part 2-nya. Mungkin besok kita lanjutin dari sampai chapter 3. Aku usahain sampai chapter 3 guys. Besok tapi ya. Entah itu 2 jam. Berapa jam kita nggak tahu guys ya. Kita pokoknya ini ceritanya masih panjang banget. Jadi gua akan kelarin sampai sini aja karena ini juga sudah jam 3:30. Takutnya aku kemalaman uploadnya guys. Nah, oke. Mungkin segitu aja dari gua, dan sehat-sehat selalu ya guys ya, supaya kalian bisa menonton video gua selalu. Oke, dan itu kayaknya itu aja cukup. And see you next time video guys. Bye bye. Gua Sony Uhuy. Oke.